Welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen, your sunny escape to fresh, wholesome dishes inspired by the vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean.
Hello, today's recipe is truly delightful. You'll be surprised how it's easy to make.
Okay, my friend, let's dive into it.
Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another delicious episode. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Niçoise salad like a true French chef. This isn't just any salad, it's a culinary masterpiece that combines fresh ingredients and bold flavors. This classic salad is not only delicious, but also packed with vibrant colors and flavors that will transport you straight to the French Riviera. Imagine the sun, the sea, and a plate of this beautiful salad in front of you. So, let's get started. First things first, we need to gather our ingredients. This is the foundation of any great dish. For this recipe, you'll need some fresh greens, cherry tomatoes, green beans, and potatoes. These are the core vegetables that will give our salad its hearty texture and vibrant look. Next, we have hard-boiled eggs and olives. These add a rich, savory element to the salad. And of course, we can't forget the anchovies and tuna. These are the proteins that make this salad so satisfying. Don't forget the dressing ingredients: olive oil, Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, garlic, and some fresh herbs. These will bring everything together with a burst of flavor. Got everything? Great. Let's move on. Now, let's start with the potatoes. We're going to boil them until they're tender, but not mushy. This is crucial for the perfect texture. Aim for about 10-15 minutes. While those are cooking, let's blanch our green beans. Simply boil them for a few minutes, then shock them in ice water to keep that beautiful green color. This step ensures they stay crisp and vibrant. Next up, the eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a key component of this salad. Boil them for about 9-10 minutes, then let them cool before peeling. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Alright, now for the fun part, assembling the salad. This is where all your hard work pays off. Start with a bed of fresh greens. Arugula or mixed greens work perfectly. Then add your sliced potatoes, green beans, and cherry tomatoes. These layers create a beautiful base for our proteins. Time to add the protein. Arrange your tuna, either canned or seared fresh tuna steaks in generous chunks. Add the hard-boiled egg quarters and a handful of olives. These add a rich, savory element to the salad. And don't forget those anchovies. They add a salty umami punch that's just irresistible. Now let's whip up the dressing. In a small bowl, combine olive oil, Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, minced garlic, and some chopped fresh herbs like parsley or tarragon. Whisk it all together until it's emulsified and smooth. Drizzle it generously over the salad. For the finishing touch, sprinkle some freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of sea salt over the top. And there you have it. A beautiful, delicious Niçoise salad that looks like it came straight out of a French bistro. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a fork and dig in. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Bon appétit! I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!
Welcome to Afsan Farm Media Production, an oasis of tranquility nestled in the heart of California. Our farm is not just a production center, it's a sanctuary where we craft healthy and easy-to-cook meals using the freshest natural ingredients from our farm kitchen. Our mission is simple but powerful: to bring peace of mind to individuals weary of the demands of bustling city life.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Came to party, then you're gone. If you know the words, now sing my song. If you're feeling thirsty, drink your fill. Then grab somebody and chill. Come with us, come with us. If you wanna live, if you wanna live, let it burn, let it burn. Down to the wicks, down to the wicks. Well, let the floor burn, burn, till we all get blessed. And when the floor burn, oh, won't you give me.
Dried figs are a delicious and nutritious snack. Soaking them in water boosts their nutrients and digestion. It's better to keep it in the refrigerator for 6 hours. Blend them with water, lemon, and honey for a cool, refreshing drink. This drink is rich in antioxidants, dietary fiber, and natural sugars. Blend soaked figs with cold water, a squeeze of lemon, and a dash of honey. Enjoying this drink regularly can help maintain overall well-being.
Here at Afsan Farm, we believe in the power of good food and its impact on our well-being. Our mission is to present you with mouth-watering recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nourish your body and soul. We're all about promoting a healthy lifestyle through the magic of cooking, and we can't wait to share our culinary adventures with you.